Hello guys, you are welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much guys for watching. If today's your first time of seeing this video, hello, my name is Becky. Thank you so much for stopping guys. In today's video guys, as you can see guys, I'm peeling the carrots. I'm going to be showing you how you can use carrots to cure your hay fever. It's a summer here in Ireland, and during summer, hay fever, Apollo used to be very common, especially if you are living in a hot planet, guys. This remedy I'm going to be sharing with you today is going to be benefits to your eyes, to your sight. Okay, we all know the benefits of carrots, and really genuine. It has to be organic carrots, guys. You have to get yourself organic carrots, but if you are living in Africa, you don't have to bother yourself, guys. Okay, so if you really want to see the results of this, you need to really get organic carrots. Carrots have a wide array of vitamins, including A, which has been known to improve eyes health. By eating carrots or making it, which I'm going to show you how you can make smoothies of it. You can share it with your family, with your children, creating a protective layer against bacteria and virus, alleviating symptoms of dry eye syndrome, slowing vision loss in people with retinitis pigmentosa, impeding the progress of Stargardt disease. So guys, you have to follow it up and check online the benefits of carrots. Okay, eating carrots is a way to get vitamins as well. You can eat it, or you can make a smoothie of it. Okay, so also you can make a smoothie out of it. So I'm going to be showing you guys how you can make a smoothie. You can eat it as well. By eating it as well, you are getting your vitamin A. Or you can make a smoothie, you can include it in your salad. Okay, some people like carrot salad carrots. So guys, I'm going to be showing you how I'm going to make smoothie. I actually used to give my kids like it as well. Okay, you dice it guys before you can blend it or else. So guys, you can make as much, you can make a lot, or you can make a small quantity, but this quantity is okay for me and the kids. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you how I'm going to make the smoothies and how I'm going to make the corn. So I prefer dicing it, so it depends how many, but I usually make like 4 to 5 pieces of carrots, so that it could be enough for us. And you can well show it contain a lot of vitamins, contain a lot of array of vitamins. Vitamin A, it's good for our sight, and then to help you to prevent you if you have already have Apollo, or you've already have fever. It's going by, as time goes on, it's going to get rid of it naturally. So I'm going to bring this to blend, and I'll be right back. So guys, this is the puree of it. So you can see the concentrate. This is organic, it's concentrate one. This is the, we have to sieve the water. That's the puree. So you can also preserve this in the fridge. I'm going to show you different methods how you can preserve it as well in the fridge. We still need this. I'm still going to come back for that. So guys, if you are the adult and you know that you really have is bother you. So you bring the water to the boil, guys. You make soup out of the soup out of it, guys. You can see. So guys, you can see the liquid, the soup of it. So we are going to make tea. So this you have to drink this thing first thing in the morning as well when you are going back to bed at night. So this works perfectly. So I've already bring the water to boil. All you need 2 tablespoons of it, okay, because it's very concentrate. I have not had any water. So you also need your lemon or lime containing vitamin C, which is very good for cough, flu, all this hay fever, irritation. So I'm going to show you. So you need only one tablespoon of it, of lemon or lime, okay. It contains vitamin C. So guys, as you can see, it starts to boil already. So excuse me because of the same. So this is how you are going to drink it first thing in the morning. As well, you can add manuka honey if you want. It's optional, okay. You don't have to. If you wish, it's very good as well. But because it's the carrots as well is very sweet, I don't normally add the manuka. So this is how you're gonna drink it first thing in the morning, and you can make soup out of it as well. So if you're going to decide to add 1 tablespoon or quarter of tablespoon, because the carrot is very sweet. I don't usually use the manuka with the carrot because it's sweet already. So you can as well. I strongly recommend manuka honey, okay, because it contains a lot of vitamins, nutrition that it can help us clear out our throats, the cough, to prevent us from this catarrh and so on and so forth. And this is how you are going to get rid of the red eyes, okay. If your eyes is very red, this is going to help you to clear it at time going on. Consistency is the key. So you drink 1 cup of this hot with the hot water. You bring the water to the boil and you add the hot water on top of the 2 tablespoons of carrots, including quarter of manuka honey, and you drink the whole cup, okay. This is 1 cup and you have to drink everything, and you add 1 teaspoon of lemon or lime liquid, okay. So this will help you. So this as well, if you want to help your children, I always make sure my children love carrots. So if you have a children that doesn't like carrots, so you can make smoothies. I'll show you how I make carrot smoothie for these kids. I'm already prepared to make one anyway, so I'm going to be showing you how I make their smoothies, and they love it. They love carrot juice. So we make our own carrot juice at home. So there's no way these children will not like carrots, because you have to just try everything. So especially during summer, you want to introduce carrot juice, carrot smoothies, carrot soup for the kids. So you just get ready, and you need 1 cup of water, guys. To measure 1 cup of water, you can see 1 cup of water, okay. So because we're going to make juice out of this, and so I love carrot juice, guys. I love it as well. So you want to make sure that you get every last bits of this carrots. So guys, that's it. That's all I could be able to get from this carrot. So you don't want it to be watery as well. So guys, for the carrot juice, we're going to need 1 cup of sugar. It depends what you want, okay, because we're going to make a big amount of the carrots. And here so guys you'll be able to see it, because I think everything now is maybe very, very complicating. So guys, I'm going to add another 1 cup of water, okay, to this, and you're gonna mix it well. So I'm going to sieve it again, okay, so you're gonna sieve it, last sieving. So we're going to put another 1 cup of water again, guys. Sorry about my camera. So I'm going to lift the camera up to show you guys what I'm doing. So another 1 cup of water, okay. So that's make your summer carrot juice. This will help you to prevent you have a fever. This will get rid of, so this will help you to get rid of the red. If you have a red eyes, this will get rid of it, will clear it completely, okay. So I'm going to keep this in the fridge. I'll show you how I'm going to be doing it, how I'm going to preserve it in the fridge. You have to add lemon or lime so that it can last. If you are a single person, you are living alone and you have a red blood eyes, and then you don't know, so you want to preserve it in the fridge, you can add 1 teaspoon of lemon or lime, so it will last you for 2 weeks, okay. Besides, its carrot is remedy, so it can actually stay in the fridge up to 2 weeks. If you are not too sure, you can add 1 teaspoon of lemon or lime. You can see the amount of the sugar already. 1 cup of water, 1 cup of sugar, so that the kids and me too the children will like it. So this is how I introduce the carrot juice to the children. They love it. If you have children as well, you can introduce this to them. You make it lovely to them, so they will love it. If it's very sweet and yummy, and they actually get a lot of benefits from it, because this is concentrate and this is organic carrot juice. So I'm going to be putting it in the fridge, because it's very summer, it's very sunny here today. I'm going to be adding ice cube, okay. You can do the same thing if you want. If it's very sunny in Africa or you are in Europe, it's very sunny. We are in the summer now at the minute. So guys, this is not boring. You're going to like this carrot juice. It's very beautiful, it's good, it's full of vitamins. At least you make this at home yourself, you're gonna like it. Oh, this is to overflow. So guys, this is lovely, you're gonna like it. Let me know what you think, guys. I'll add more block. I love it to be very sheer. So guys, this is going to be very sheer, and this is going to be very nice. I'm going to like it, and the kids is gonna like it as well. So you make your carrot juice for this summer. It's going to help you to prevent you have a right eyes ball, and if you have already have it, it's going to help you to clear it, and it's going to prevent you of having hay fever, Apollo, because this season there's a lot of Apollo going on because it's very sunny. So this, by drinking carrot juice 1 cup or first concentrate one in the morning, is gonna help you to get rid of cataract as well. And the prevention is better than cure, and consistency is the key, guys. Please, I want to know what you think. Do you enjoy your carrot juice? Let me know. Guys, it's really amazing, very lovely. So I'm going to be showing you how I'm going to keep the rest for the kids. So this is how we're gonna do it. Doing this for them to see it in the fridge in the morning or when they come back, they're going to like it because it's very beautiful. So if you make it beautiful, your children will drink it for you. So I make it beautiful, I'll store this in the fridge. My children will just go there and share it and drink drink it, so it's not going to waste, believe me guys. So let me know what you think. If this really help you to get rid of the red ball, the red eyes, please leave the comments below. Share this video with your friend, with your neighbor. I want to see what you think. If this help you to prevent it or it help you to cure it, I want to know what you think. Thank you so much guys for watching. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button, the notification bell. It should be in case if I upload any of my new video, you are going to be among of the first people to be notified. Thank you so much guys for watching.